wewe huna tatizo lolote na jamii ya Wajaluo. Hayati Raila Odinga alipofariki, alipoaga dunia, hukuonekana katika ile hafla iliyokuwa Nyayo Stadium, hafla iliyokuwa Kasarani, hafla iliyokuwa Mamboleo, hata hafla iliyokuwa kwake wakati wa kumuaga. Saa hizi ni miezi mitano, hatuja kuona kama unaenda ku...
It's true. I sent condolences to the late Raila Odinga, and I had planned to go to the Nyayo National Stadium. And I got information that some goons had been arranged to attack me so that it could create conflict between the Luo Nation and the Kikuyu Nation. And I applied my mind as a senior politician, as a strategist, and I realized that it was a very important occasion for Raila Odinga and his followers, and it would have been imprudent for me to seem like I have brought chaos into a very solemn ceremony that was very, very important. I planned to go to Bondo. I also got information. And you know, from where I'm coming from, for the longest, I've been attacked by goons in this Nairobi, and most of them have been organized by a senior civil servant from Luo Nyanza. The goons that have attacked me in church in Kariobangi, in Mweki, when I was coming from the airport, were organized by a senior politician from Nyanza, who is also organizing goons in Nyanza. The ones
you
that
have
heckled,
evidence for
the
that
ones that
statement
heckled,
that you're making?
yes, I have. The ones that heckled Orengo were organized by the same person. So I have also my own intelligence. I get to know what goes on in the security sector and in the country. So when I learned also in Bondo that there were plans to attack me physically as a strategy to create a wedge between the Kikuyu Nation and the Luo Nation. Because what would have happened if I was attacked in Bondo, the Kikuyu Nation would have felt very bad and create an enmity with the Luo Nation. And the Luo Nation had nothing against me, you know. In fact, let me tell you, the last time I was in Luo Nation in the company of William Ruto, when I was his deputy, I was given such rousing welcome in Migori, in Homa Bay, in Siaya, in Kisumu. For the 4 days we were in Nyanza, the Luo Nation welcomed me like a king. So I knew, you know, people who have dirty schemes of trying to create a wedge between the two communities wanted to attack me at Nyayo National Stadium and at Bondo to create conflict between the two communities. But I'm too smart of a politician to fall into such hands.
Ameshazikwa, kuna